Welcome to Banaraswala Wire Mesh Private Limited, a company providing world-class wire mesh solutions to our clients for over 37 years. Founded in 1986, Banaraswala has grown into one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers of wire mesh for different applications. Our commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction has earned us a reputation of excellence. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, combined with our expertise and experience, ensure that we can meet the evolving needs of our clients across various industries. We have a wide range of wire mesh products, including woven wire mesh, welded wire mesh, crimped wire mesh, vibrating screen mesh, perforated sheet, expanded metal, and chain link fencing. Our products are used in wide variety of applications, from industrial filtration system to architectural projects, and we are committed to providing custom solutions tailored to the specific needs of our clients. At Banaraswala, we believe in investing in the latest technology and equipment to stay at the forefront of our industry. Our team of skilled professionals continuously work towards improving our manufacturing processes to deliver the highest quality products to our clients. Thank you for taking your time to learn about Banaraswala Wire Mesh Private Limited. Our commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction has enabled us to establish ourselves as a leader of the wire mesh industry. We look forward to working with you in providing innovative solutions for all your wire mesh needs.